So if you're interested in making quick money online, this is the video for you. I'm not talking about making a lot of money. I'm talking about making a lot of money quickly. This method, compared to many other methods, this method can help you to make money like really quickly every day, like quick money. So if you're interested in quick money, this is the video for you. Watch this video all the way to the end, because I'll explain every single thing to you step by step, what you need to do. So if you skip an important step, that will be a problem. So just make sure you just watch the video all the way to the end. It's not a very long video. So now, before I show you this method, you must know that this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this. You don't spend your money at all. It's free, 100%, and it's available worldwide. So wherever you're from, if you're in Africa or Australia, Asia, Europe, America, South America, wherever you are, you can get access to this opportunity. So just comment down below right now from which country you're coming from, so that I can know wherever you are. So before I show you this method, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Click that bell so that every time I have a new video, you'll get a notification, so you don't have to go around looking for my videos. So if you've noticed on YouTube, you'll see that there are different kind of YouTube images. They call it YouTube thumbnails, but I'll call it a YouTube image for now. As you can see over here, very nice YouTube images, very nice YouTube images. So I'm going to show you how you can actually make money from these YouTube images. Like for example, very simple but very nice. What you want to do, you want to go onto a website called Pickmaker. It's pickmaker.com. When you're on pickmaker.com, what you need to do is you need to create an account. It's absolutely free. Just put in your first name, your last name, your email address, or you can just sign in with your Facebook, or you can just sign in with your Gmail address and you'll get an account. It's free. So what you want to do, over here you'll see three options: YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnails, and ICTV thumbnails. So all you need to focus on is click on YouTube thumbnails. When you click on YouTube thumbnails, you'll see that it's going to provide you with all different kinds of thumbnails available. Very nice, very fancy, very unique, different categories of thumbnails that you can choose from. So here there's something on Halloween. Here we have something on cooking. Here's another one on cooking. Here's something got to do with guitar lessons over here. As you can see, all these categories of thumbnails already done for you, absolutely free. That is the beauty of it. It's absolutely free. You can just click over here and download whichever one you like. So now let's take for example one right here. So we have something like this over here. So you create, okay, let's take for example, I like this one. As you can see over here, you can just decide to add some text. For example, you can add some text over here. So when you click on that, you can decide to type in, instead of best pets for the week, I'll put in best chef for the week, because it's got to do with, with cooking. So basically you get the picture of what it's all about, what you can do. You can decide to place it wherever you want. You can decide to put so many different things around. You can do so many things with the thumbnail. So basically, I hope you get the whole picture of it all. It's very easy to do. You can move things around. If you don't like this, you can decide to delete it. You can do so many things. I hope you get what I'm talking about. So you can add as many things as you like. For example, you can move things around, as I said, all according to how you want it. So just have fun with exactly what you're doing, and once you're done creating everything, you just download it. So just create something nice that you enjoy, and then all you want to do is download it. So now once you're done with the actual thumbnail, depending on how you want to put it, you can type in, maybe if it's a cooking video, you maybe type in the best cooking recipe of all time. You can just type in whatever you want to put it. So I'm going to show you where you can actually sell the thumbnails. Now you want to go onto fiverr.com. When you're on fiverr.com, you want to type in over here YouTube thumbnail. So let me type that, YouTube thumbnail. I call it a YouTube image, but you can call it a YouTube thumbnail. That's what it's known for. So you type in YouTube thumbnail, and you can see there's so many different people that say, hey, I'm going to design an amazing YouTube thumbnail in 3 hours, and all I'm charging you is $10. Someone says, hey, I'll create YouTube thumbnails in 4 hours and I'll only charge you $5. I'll design a catchy YouTube thumbnail, $5. I'll design custom drawn YouTube thumbnails, $25. I'll thumbnails cartoon style for YouTube and more, $10. I'll design an eye-catchy YouTube thumbnails in 2 hours. So as you can see, so many people are doing this, and the price range is usually $5, $10. And let's take, for example, over here. Let's see what exactly. So as you can see, he's doing it for $10. I'll design an amazing YouTube thumbnail in 3 hours, $10. Now as you can see, 16 orders in queue, which means that so many people are actually coming here for his services, and he already has 16 people waiting for, who have already paid and are waiting for their thumbnails, which means that if we go into the online calculator, if he, let's see, how much is he doing it for again? He's doing it for $10. So if it's $10 per thumbnail and 16 people have already paid, he made $160 for doing what? What did he do? Something so easy. Went onto Pickmaker and did exactly what I showed you. Just went and found something nice and just changed a few words here and there. Do you see what I'm talking about? How easy this is to do. You just find something nice. Let's say it's a gymming channel, or it's like a fitness type of channel. Then you will see something like this, and you can just edit the words. Instead of my diet routine, you can just put in, like, I don't know, my daily routine, my gymming routine, my fitness world, my whatever you want to type in. Do you see what I'm talking about? So it's so easy to do. My diet method. Let me put in my diet method. So I decided to type in my diet method. Just imagine, I can just change things around and just go onto Fiverr and actually make a post like everybody else and say, hey, my name is so and so, and I'm going to design an attractive YouTube thumbnail for you. I'll charge you. You can decide to charge $10, $5. You can just start off with $5 because, you know, if somebody sees, hey, $5 and $10, maybe somebody will click on $5, you know. So just put in $5, and trust me, it's still a lot of money. If you get like 20 people per day just for a YouTube thumbnail, you're going to get a lot of money every single day. It's very easy to do, not a lot of stress. And remember, on Pickmaker, they are very professional looking types of thumbnails, so people will really like your services. And if you want to actually get started with Fiverr over here, what you need to do is you want to come over here and click become a seller. So when you click on become a seller, it's going to take you onto this page over here. Just want to click here, become a seller. Then you can decide to continue with Facebook, continue with your Gmail or your Apple address, or just put in your email address and continue. It's a very free process. You don't pay any money to do this. So I hope you get the picture of it all. If you have any questions, please comment your questions down below in the comment section right now. Just comment them, whatever your questions are. And yeah, I hope it makes sense to you. Watch the video over and over again if you need more clearance, and subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that notification bell as well so that you'll get a notification when I upload my next video. And go onto my channel. I have a playlist over there with all my videos that can help you to make more money online. So when you combine all the videos together, you can make a lot of money every single day. And remember, methods like these, they're so easy to do. So in like 5 minutes you can do like one thumbnail and make maybe $5, $10, $20. Easy procedure. So just enjoy this. Comment your questions below. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like the video, and I really appreciate everything you're doing. Watch my videos, and thank you so much. Cheers.